Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Tether, USDT, from Binance to Metamask. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Metamask gives you more control over your assets for DeFi and NFTs, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, download and set up Metamask on your browser or mobile app, and have your wallet address ready. Double check it because mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Step 1. Head over to your Binance dashboard and click on the Wallet tab, then select Withdraw. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, search for Tether or USDT in the asset list and select it. Now, here's a crucial part. In the network selection, choose ERC20. Why? Because Metamask primarily works with the Ethereum network, and using the wrong one could send your funds to a black hole. Once you've selected the network, paste your Metamask wallet address into the address field. You'll also need to enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Remember, there might be a small network fee, so check that before proceeding. Hit Withdraw, and confirm the transaction with your Binance security measures like two-factor authentication. Now, sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Metamask app or extension, switch to the Ethereum mainnet if needed, and refresh your wallet. You should see your USDT balance updated. A quick tip: always verify the recipient address and keep an eye on gas fees, especially in 2025 when crypto networks might be even busier. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And there you have it. You've successfully sent Tether from Binance to Metamask. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.